Hello, fellow app developers. My name is Nicholas Null, and I'm making this video to show how to bypass the error in App Engine Studio telling you that you need more setup. It's a pretty common issue with PDIs. Basically, it wants you to create a new environment, and I'm going to show you a workaround so you don't have to do any of that. So we're going to go ahead and open up our App Engine Studio application. And as you can see here, I've already created this Bird Spotter 2.0 app just to speed up the process a little bit. You can see that we have a data table, a form, we have some flows here, and our security controls for a Bird user and Bird admin. When you go ahead and hit submit, it pops up with this error: App Engine Studio needs more setup. What we're going to do instead is hit this gear icon right here. And that's going to take you to this general settings for your application, and from there you're going to go to Open App in Dev Studio. This is going to open the app in the classic studio mode, but as you can see, it's transferred over all your tables, your forms, your access control rules, and your flow designer. All of that, which was made by the App Engine Studio, has moved over. From here, you're not quite done yet. What we want to go ahead and do is create the application menu. So we're going to go ahead and click Create Application File, type in Application Menu, and this will allow it to pop up in the Filter Navigator. So we're going to call it Bird Spotter 2.0. Nice and simple. Going to assign it the role of admin. Submit that, and then you have to create a module as well. So we're just going to call it Bird Spotter 2.0 form. Assign it the role of admin. Change the link type. Submit that. And we are almost done. Go ahead and update the module. You can close out of that. Update the app. You can close out of that. From here, all of our data is saved. If you go back to your PDI, and depending on if you made the app in global or scope, you go here. For mine, I'm going to change it back to global. Hit the refresh button one time. Hit all. And you can see that I now have the Bird Spotter 2.0 form. And if we dive deeper, we will see that we also have all of our tables, access roles, and flows.